kalok jo chalikik ka kong Erika ka long ganuk sabab hai gi longing long sam kalai ga jingkran ka ba sngamlung badag do nut ka ba shisha bad ka ba khia kala phla pai ba ngama bio SAMLA ba pyniap yo tnga juna bad kum juru u charli ulama yepi kane ga jingkran kala kta adu kata ya baro ki pai ba ki belawan sngawalam ha kane ga sngi tongni snap yegani.
My husband Charlie, he wanted to save young men just like the one who took his life. That man, I forgive him. I forgive him because it was what Christ did and is what Charlie would do. The answer to hate is not hate. The answer we know from the gospel is love, and always love.